Welcome to the Lantern Light AI Newscast number 67. Big moves in tech, health, and data. In Boston on Thursday, June 4th, 2026 at 2:34 p.m. UTC, Microsoft is rolling out a multi-agent security scanning system, while Nvidia's new RTX Spark Superchip aims to bring serious AI power to laptops. On the health and science front, Hims & Hers is spending over $1 billion to acquire Eucalyptus. Canada just built its largest genomic dataset, and researchers are pushing harder than ever against Parkinson's disease. And global innovators are already setting their sights on SusHi Tech Tokyo 2026. Let's get into today's stories. Microsoft announced a new multi-model agentic security scanning system, codenamed MDASH, which the company says has topped a leading industry benchmark for AI-powered cyber defense. The system uses multiple coordinated AI agents working together to detect threats faster than traditional single-model approaches. Separately, Fujitsu recently unveiled self-evolving multi-agent technology that allows teams of AI agents to learn continuously from real business operations and human feedback. Meanwhile, network automation firm Essential announced its Flow AI platform will reach general availability on July 1st, 2026, with early access already open for organizations wanting to build governed infrastructure agents. Now, a notable headline from the research front. SusHi Tech Tokyo 2026 opened its doors this spring as one of the year's most closely watched technology gatherings, featuring live demonstrations across 4 focused technology domains and sessions with developers and investors from around the world. The event highlighted Tokyo's growing role as a hub for global innovation. Separately, researchers in Berkeley and Cambridge earlier announced they had attached copper nanoflower catalysts to artificial leaves, enabling solar-driven hydrocarbon synthesis. That work adds to a busy year for physical sciences, with scientists also reporting advances in light-based chip technology that could point toward faster, more energy-efficient computing in the years ahead. Now, a top science and technology headline. Parkinson's disease is now the fastest-growing neurodegenerative disease in the world, according to research from the Parkinson's Foundation. The condition affects millions of people globally alongside other neurodegenerative disorders, including Alzheimer's disease and ALS. Community efforts to raise awareness are taking shape in various forms, including a mobile kickathon organized by a Pittsburgh-area karate school called Allegheny Shotokan to raise funds and support for those living with Parkinson's. Researchers and advocacy groups say early diagnosis, community support, and continued funding for scientific study remain critical factors in slowing the disease's rapid global spread. Now, a story from the world of personalized medicine and digital health. U.S. telehealth company Hims & Hers Health announced in April it would acquire Australian digital health firm Eucalyptus in a deal valued at up to $1.15 billion, marking one of the largest cross-border digital health acquisitions of 2026. The move is aimed at expanding Hims & Hers into international markets as demand for personalized care services grows globally. The deal reflects a broader shift in healthcare this year, with genomic profiling, AI-driven diagnostics, and targeted treatments moving from research settings into commercial products. Analysts describe 2026 as a significant turning point for personalized medicine as a whole. Next, another item from across research and industry. Canada's Precision Health Initiative, launched in 2024, is assembling the country's largest human genomic dataset, including genetic information from Indigenous peoples. According to an analysis published in Nature, the project aims to advance personalized medicine by tailoring treatments to individual genetic profiles. Researchers say large-scale genomic datasets are increasingly seen as essential infrastructure for improving patient outcomes and reducing the burden of chronic disease. The initiative reflects a broader global push with scientists and health systems investing heavily in genomics-driven approaches as populations age and healthcare costs continue to climb. Closing out today, a note on AI hardware and chip design. Nvidia launched its RTX Spark Superchip, designed to bring AI processing directly to Windows laptops and desktop computers. The chip powers a new wave of devices that Nvidia and Microsoft are marketing as AI personal computers, capable of running large language models and other AI workloads locally without a cloud connection. Early hands-on testing by technology reviewers suggested the hardware offers a serious challenge to Apple's MacBook Pro lineup in video editing and AI performance. Nvidia-powered ARM-based Windows machines have historically faced software compatibility hurdles, and analysts noted the challenge remains as the new devices reach the market.
Today's program is brought to you by Lantern Light AI. This newscast was automatically generated using custom software implemented in Python that Lantern Light AI built from scratch using Claude Code. The newscast content is automatically generated from internet sources. The realistic avatar is animated by AI. The look of the avatar is customizable using one headshot image as the input, and it can be a real person or an imagined one. This newscast features an imagined avatar. Any similarity to real people is purely coincidental. If you would be interested in custom avatars for your business or need help with agentic generative AI, please contact us. If you enjoyed this newscast, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. More science, tech, and AI news coming soon. Thanks for watching. To get in touch, contact us at chris.morley@lanternlight.ai.